Swada, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA. And
Hi.
hi, and many, many congratulations for you entering in a show, you Star Plus show. So tell me one thing, how has been, back? I mean, you did Nagin, then thoda, gap raha, then you again joined in this show. So how's it been, getting back again on the television screen? How's it been?
Thank you, first of all, for the warm welcome. And it was actually like post lockdown because everybody was so much into the lockdown and COVID phase, and same here. And I thought might as well, it might just, create some mental balance if I take up any shows. So Nagin happened, and I was really happy to do Nagin after lockdown because I always wanted to work with Balaji and Ekta ma'am and the whole team, and it was so much fun to work with everybody. So Jana, Sharad, and everybody, and I quite enjoyed. Playing the antagonist in Nagin, as it was new flavor for me because I have done a female protagonist in my earlier shows, and it was a bit of I might say not easy, but yeah, quite easy compared to the antagonist playing thing. So I had fun playing that character, and then I thought again I have got an opportunity to do kind of a different shade like that. So why not grab an opportunity to do that?
Right. But you do you also think doing different characters, okay, like not just focusing on the main lead part and doing those different characters also give you ample number of time to explore yourself as an actor, which generally doesn't happens in television.
Very much, because by doing just the leads repetitively, you get stagnancy. You get stagnancy in your life, and you are quite in a comfort zone, and you're happy being the all goody positive girl. But when you start exploring different characters, you grow as a person, you grow as a personality, and you get to know different emotions and like actually touch to some part of reality somewhere. There is some reality to the characters that we show on the television, so it's thrilling, and it's entertaining, and it's quite a learning process because you also learn things about yourself. You explore different aspects about your own self, like, oh, I can do this as well. So yeah, that's quite interesting.
Okay, and tell me about your character Shagun, which is going we are going to see in Shaurya and Anokhi Ki Kahani.
Uh, Shagun is a very modern girl. So, like you can say, a girl next door that anybody can relate to me because she wants to learn, she wants to explore herself and, do a PhD and just live her own life and have her own love of life with her for the rest of the life is anyone's basic dream or anyone's basic imagination that my life should be like this. And Shagun wants to like that. And but now as Shaurya is not supporting her and she's come back, her love for Shaurya is genuinely it's pure, and she wants Shaurya back because she loves him. That's the only thing that is left out in her life to be complete. Now she's learned, she's educated, she went to London, she explored herself. But the only thing pulled her back was the love for Shaurya, and now she's back. So she is that kind of positive only, but her actions, her trying to get Shaurya back in her own life might ruin things for her, or I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, tell me one thing. I mean, even you are aware when you play a character, which in a way come between two people who are already in love on screen, and people are used to see them. Trolls happen, and everything does that happen. So now you are used to that, or now you are mature enough to take it with a pinch of salt, or how is it?
No, I I feel myself lucky in that matter because when I played Morni in Nagin, I was the same character that the Bani and Sharad, they were in love, and then I come in between and I try to separate them. But instead of hatred, I was loved by fans, and I was loved by them, and they really liked my character, the way I portrayed Morni and Mayuri in that show. So it was kind of a shock, and also I was happy that people accepted my character in this way instead of trolling me. I was loved and accepted with really warm hugs and welcome. And same has happened here as well. As Shagun, people are actually loving my character and they're eager to see what the story has to offer for them. And about my character, like nothing has much revealed yet, but the response of the fans is really welcoming and I'm loving it.
Right. But are you prepared? I mean, if some type of trolls
Yes,
happen, yeah.
definitely prepared. Yeah, because sometimes it might happen that people won't like my interference in this thing and everything. But yeah, I'm prepared because it is after all an entertainment. It is after all I'm doing my job. And if in Marathi they say if you're in playing a negative and people don't lick it, then it is actually your character is working on them.
Right.
It says ki hatred is your appreciation for your work, basically. I take it in a positive way, definitely.
Right. So tell me, how's it working with the cast, with Shaurya and with the guys who play Shaurya and Anokhi, with the people? How's it been working with them?
Everybody's absolutely cheerful and very positive vibe on the set. Everybody is so cool and loving and welcoming. Today was actually the first day where I met everybody. Like I was sitting with everybody and talking and chilling with them. So yeah, it was really fun. Everybody is so down to earth. Like they like Devi, who's playing Devi's character. She's a very old artist, and there are a lot of artists who have worked a lot since a lot of years they've been working, but still they're so down to earth, so good, and I was like, it's blessed to work with these people.
Right. And so that tell me one thing, I mean, we all know that the COVID situation, it's getting worse actually, rather than being at a stable situation. Actors are definitely prone to this thing a lot because, you people can't keep your mask on and, you can't, keep the distance. And a lot of TV celebrities, unfortunately, have been suffered from this thing. So you tell me when you, shoot, how paranoid your family is or how paranoid you are when you, shoot in such situation.
So we are definitely paranoid because when I did Nagin also, it was like immediately after the lockdown, and now also because there's a second wave and everybody is falling sick and everything. We actually are paranoid. Like, when I go home, my mom is standing on the door, like sprays all over me, gets disinfected. I walk straight into the bathroom, have my bath and clean up everything. And here also on the set, like everybody is trying as much as possible to take care about everything. And Spotter is also like every now and then he comes with a sanitizer, ma'am sanitizer, and everybody technical team, even though we have to get our masks off, but the technical team can wear it throughout. So they do their job, they wear the mask throughout, nobody takes their mask out. And hair didi, makeup dada, they all are wearing the COVID shield and the plastic, everything. So yeah, we are taking precautions and let's see and hope for the best that this works in our benefit.
Right. Okay, so Swarda,
because of the COVID, like the people who work on per day wages, they are really suffering a lot. So might as well this works in our benefit.
Right. And Swarda, if anything you want to, you want to convey a message, to the fans of Shaurya and Anokhi, who love them, that what is the change you are going to bring in their story, what they can expect, again, if you can say anything.
जैसे हर दाल तड़के के बिना अधूरी है, वैसे ही हर शो एक स्पाइस के बिना अधूरा है. So I am getting some spice in the show. So I just want to tell all the fans of Shaurya Aur Anokhi Kahani, just stuck to the show and keep watching it, keep loving my character and the whole story of Shaurya, because whole story is the whole and soul of any entertainment platform. So I hope you like it, and I hope I keep on entertaining as much as I can.
Right, right. Okay, so there is one last question. Actually, it skipped my mind. So everyone knows, this character was played by a different actor initially, and then you came in. Okay, of course, it just happened like 10 days, and it's still a fresh character. But tell me, how much how much were you comfortable with it, and second, from your side, how much have you, maintained that thing that you stand out different when you're portraying that character from that particular actor. So how much are the preparations from your side?
Well, for me, it all happened in a day actually. I auditioned, I got shortlisted, then I had to come to Mumbai. I was in Pune, I had seen Pune, so I had to come to Mumbai, and then I did my look test and I started shooting immediately because they had their telecast, and I had no time to go through the episodes and watch who all have done the show, like who are all in the show and everything. So I had no idea about the replacement thing that Shagun has done the previous. She has shot for this, and as every individual is different, I definitely have something different to show it to the audience, and I'd like to bring some different flavor to the character, definitely. So we are working on the story and everything accordingly.
Right. And tell me this last thing, when people have loved to see you in the Marathi industry. So anything, you're planning, or is there something in the pipeline when it comes to the Marathi industry?
Marathi, there might be a film. I can't really disclose the details and everything into it, but definitely there is something in Marathi, because I can't lose my roots, right? I can't just
Yeah.
just leave it. Now I'm settled in Hindi. I'll do it. I as equally I love to play characters in Marathi as well. So yeah, there is something.
And on this note, any message to the fans you want to give?
Just keep on supporting me and just keep on showering your love to me and the character Shagun and the show Shaurya Aur Anokhi Kahani. So keep watching on Star Plus at 7 p.m. every day, like Monday to Saturday.
Thank you so much for then. All the best for it. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Nishant Singh Malkani, and
Hi, this is Kanika Man.
you're watching us on Glitz Vision USA.
And if you really like the segment, so go follow, like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes, do that.